All right, so I'm just making this video real quick to explain some directions. When you're trying to do your worksheet, I have these groups of 3, and what you're supposed to understand is that all 3 of these are reacting with a halogen, so they should have similar products. The only difference between one and the next is that lithium is not necessarily like magnesium and sodium. In fact, lithium's only similar to sodium, seeing as they're both in group 1, and they would both have a +1 charge when you put them together with a halogen as a product. So when you're modeling off of an example, this sodium reaction with bromine is going to make a similar product, this sodium bromide, where it'd be a 1-to-1 situation, whereas the magnesium, as an ion, seeing as it's in group 2, it'd have a +2 charge. This formula would be incorrect in this case, having a 1-to-1, 1 magnesium, 1 chlorine. You actually need to have 2 chlorines per magnesium, and that's the whole problem that we're having with these reactions to begin with. It's hard for us to tell when it's going to be one thing, when it's going to be the other. So you're supposed to use each group, right, that first example in each group to model, but that doesn't mean that this second one's going to look exactly the same as the first and last. So it's going to balance differently as well. This one's actually 1-to-1-to-1 in terms of coefficients, whereas I'm going to need 2 of these lithium fluorides and then maybe 2 lithiums to make sure I have the same amount of each elements on all sides. And again, that sodium bromide product is similar to the lithium fluoride up above. So I'm going to need 2 of these and 2 of these as well, right? So again, I'm just trying to help you out so that you can kind of work from there. If I do the next group, magnesium is similar to calcium, but sodium's completely different. Again, make sure that your product here is not exactly the same as the products for the first and last one, but otherwise, use your notes, model, figure it out, work together if you have to. Get this thing done so that we can keep being productive and getting this figured out.